7. Hope you all are well, safe at home. As we all know, we have completed 2 units. Written work is left. In those 2 activities, there are uh, notes which you have to write on your own. So here, I will give you extra question answers from the text, means which are not given in the textbook. So it should have the question answers based. So now see, this semester is totally about the exploration. You have to explore. First you have explored with symbols which is a sign of speaking, which symbol itself speaks. So you need to decode the symbols. You should know about the symbols, what they stands for. Next, it was very fun unit. It was all about puzzles. How Birbal solves the puzzles, as we are nowadays watching the show also, which is telecasted on one of the channels. So we enjoyed there as well. Now we are going to have a big topic, I would say, which attracts most of the people around the world. That is exploring advertising. In this unit, how does it affect the children is being discussed. As we all know, advertisements attracts the most people of the around the world. They just watch it and they definitely go and get it, buy that thing. They don't wait for a thing, they believe in so. But are you aware of them, like whether they are correct or incorrect, whether they are to be used or not, what are the side effects or the cost of it, is it truth or fact, which we are going to study in this unit. So I'll slowly and gradually explain about this, and later on I'll post the notes for the same. So tomorrow, as we all know, the new timetable is being followed, so every day you will have 4 videos of the subjects. So today English is in timetable. Tomorrow I will share the notes which you are supposed to copy in your notebook. You have to make an English notebook, which I'll instruct tomorrow. So today I'll start reading how does this advertisements affect in the life of people. It's article. It's not the actual story. It is the article adapted from the New York Times. That is a newspaper. It has been adapted from February. The date is given. Whenever they write in newspaper, they mention first the month, then the date, and then the year and time is mentioned. So what was the article named? How advertising targets our children. You all know, you are also attracted by them. You are attracted by various things. You can note it down, which advertising mostly targeted the children. We can share now, as we are not seeing each other, so we can say there are number of products which targets children, kind of chocolates, toffees, pencils, pen, erasers. There are variety number of things, toys. So such things targets our children. Targets in the sense they will be most affected, and they will definitely insist their parents to buy them. So this is what it's by Dr. Perry Class, who has written this article. The article begins from this line: I would like my children to be aware about advertising. So here the article writer wanted that his children should be aware what is actual advertisement is. I would like them to grow up alert to the ways He wanted to alert his children. People try to sell them things. How the people, the one who is handling, who is selling the things, how do they sell them? I think it is important for children. It is not only important for children, it for elders also. Sometimes elders also get affected. So here mostly children get attracted. So we are talking about children first. I think it is important for children to understand that sometimes people who want your trust are not really your friends. It means you think they are our friends, but they are not actually your friends. It is rightly said here. I think it is important for children to understand. What to understand? That sometimes people who want your trust, the one who want your trust, suppose you went to the shop, you went someplace, they wanted to get your trust, they wanted to know you, then they are not really your friends. Later on it is explained in the next paragraph how they are how are they not are truly friends, that we are going to study. Next paragraph. Researchers have long studied the effects of ads on children. So there are researchers who research, who take, once the advertisement is broadcasted on various mediums like newspaper, radio, nowadays FM, TV, cinemas, and now on social platform, on online, as on mostly available online. So researchers have long studied the effects of ads on children. They wanted to have a survey, so they researched. Studies show that advertising for things like cigarettes and alcohol does help push children and young people toward unhealthy behaviors. So mostly they have researched, there are two products which are mostly affected not only children but also young people. Which are two things? The two things are cigarettes and alcohol. Because of these ads, children are switching towards their unhealthy behavior. But it also shows that it is more difficult to protect children as advertisers use the internet and social media, which I've just now explained about the medium of advertisements. Now there are different mediums available. Earlier there were two major mediums, newspapers and TV. Radio was, but it was not visible, it was audible. But TV and newspaper, both of them were mostly available. Nowadays internet and the social media, it is very difficult to protect. So that's the reason nowadays whenever these scenes are being telecasted in TV or serials or in movies, there are footnotes given, footnotes given in the screen. Alcohol is not good for the health. Smoking is injurious for the health. So that's the reason they have started protecting. This article is being taken from a newspaper dated or year 2030. Now this just 7 years ago. We are in 2020 now. So this is all about advertising. How does it affect? You should also think about it. Which kind of advertisers have attracted you the most? If it attracted, have you bought it them at home? Would you like in future, if you find one of the advertisements have affected, will you buy them in future? If yes, then why? If no, then why? You should answer yourself for these things. Then only you proceed the things. What is the outcome of that product? is it useful, or once you use, your one of your friends or relatives use, then only you will proceed. So we have to think about these all.